2024, Long An, Vietnam, a truck lost control and plowed into a vegetable stall. It could have been a tragedy, but luck was on everyone's side. Speed without control is a recipe for disaster. This driver lost control at high speed and paid the price. Slow down before it's too late. Going downhill doesn't mean you can stop looking. This car missed the signs and crashed into an oncoming bus. Always stay alert, especially on slopes. One small mechanical error, one big drop. The crane malfunctioned while lowering a truck, causing a dangerous fall. Always check your equipment before heavy lifting. One quick door swing and a motorcyclist goes flying. The driver didn't check before opening the car door. Always look before you open it, could save a life. A freight train collapsed the bridge beneath it. When weight exceeds design limits, disaster is inevitable. Infrastructure must be regularly inspected. Lives depend on it.
Oh crap! Oh my god!
Sudden turns without checking traffic can turn into instant accidents. The driver in front didn't look and the car behind had no time to stop. Always check mirrors before changing direction. One careless move and another driver paid the price. The impact sent a car straight under a heavy truck. Always assess the risk before you overtake. A lightning bolt struck a moving car and the driver survived. Thanks to the metal frame, the car acted like a Faraday cage. This is why staying inside your car during a storm is often the safest option. This driver parked but forgot one thing, the brake. Moments later, crash small habits save big trouble. The rear end swung wide and hit a parked vehicle. Know your turning radius when carrying large loads. This type of accident is entirely preventable. Always check height restrictions before passing under bridges. Ignoring the red light caused more than just a dent. It shattered safety and could have taken lives. Obey signals. They exist to protect you. Merging into traffic isn't just about speed, it's about timing and awareness. This driver forgot that. Don't let distractions steer your car. High speed leaves no room for error, and when both drivers ignore the limit, this is the result. Drive smart, not fast. 1 second of understeer on a wet road and this is the result. Controlling a car in slippery conditions is a skill, not luck. Don't underestimate the road. The driver in front didn't look and paid the price. Rear-end collisions can be avoided. If we all share the road wisely, your turn signal isn't a magic shield. The car lost control and swerved onto the pedestrian path. A few more steps and this could have ended in tragedy. Stay alert. Lives are at stake. The truck didn't yield and crossed the road, hitting 2 cars head-on. 1 careless decision and 3 vehicles were damaged. Always check all sides before turning. When a truck loses control, there's little room for error. This crash is a reminder that heavy vehicles demand extra care. This crash is a reminder that heavy vehicles demand extra care. In just a few seconds, the truck lost control and overturned onto the nearby Kae. This shows how fast things can go wrong on the road. Always slow down and stay alert, especially with heavy vehicles. A train slams into a container truck stuck on the tracks. Railroad crossings demand full attention. Even a second's delay can be deadly. Never gamble with a train. It always wins.
Patrz! Kurwa, ale jak?
Too fast, too icy, and the roundabout didn't let him pass unscathed. 1 wrong move on a frozen road is all it takes. Respect winter roads. This case reminds us not all dangers come from the road itself. We don't yet know the truth, but caution is key even in familiar company. How well do you really know who's riding with you? Driving fast with worn tires. This driver learned the hard way. A blowout sent the car crashing into a parked vehicle. Slow down. Your tires can't handle ego. A driver lost control and crossed into the wrong lane. Another innocent car paid the price. Don't drive distracted. The road demands respect. Just a normal drive until disaster fell from the hillside. A chilling reminder infrastructure safety matters. Check road conditions before every journey. Speeding across train tracks isn't bravery, it's a mistake you might not survive. Stop, look, listen, then cross.
acredito. Tá aí, eu tô. Vai lá pro espírito.
A moment of loss of control and the car in front pays the price. Heavy trucks require extra caution. Always maintain your brakes and stay alert.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
As the small car was passing by, a rock-blasting water jet suddenly sprayed directly at it. The impact startled the driver, causing the car to lose control and veer off to the roadside.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, stop.
While launching a boat down the ramp, the car suddenly began to roll downhill. Panic took over, and this clever man's first instinct was to jump under his own wheels.
Are closed, resulting in some evacuation. Impact is 14.0.
An EF2 tornado struck Pennsylvania on September 1st, 2021, flipping a semi-truck. Thanks to wearing a seatbelt, the driver escaped with only minor injuries. Always wear your seatbelt. It can save your life in the most unexpected situation.
I'm sure.
A high-angle camera captured the moment a truck lost control and crashed into a car, triggering a chain reaction accident. This is a clear reminder controlling your speed and staying alert is critical, especially in traffic-heavy areas. A large vehicle changed lanes or turned without checking carefully, crashing straight into a smaller car. Always check your surroundings and blind spots before making any move on the road. A young man dangerously pulled a fuel nozzle at a gas station and lit it with a lighter, causing a sudden burst of flames. Thankfully, others acted quickly to extinguish the fire.